Inflation is one of the biggest threats to your retirement savings, and with prices rising every year, you might be wondering how to protect your wealth. One of the best ways to safeguard your retirement from inflation is through gold IRAs. But what makes them stand out, and how can they provide real protection for your savings? Let's dive into how gold IRAs could be the key to securing your financial future, especially if you're nearing retirement or already retired. First off, why is inflation such a problem for retirees? The cost of living keeps going up, and while your fixed income may not, it's harder to maintain the same lifestyle year after year. Your IRA or 401k is likely tied up in traditional assets like stocks and bonds. While these are safe in normal times, inflation can erode their value over time. That's where gold IRAs come into play. Gold has been a store of value for thousands of years. Unlike paper currency or stocks, gold is tangible and tends to hold its value or even increase during inflationary periods. When other assets are losing purchasing power, gold often thrives, making it an ideal hedge against inflation. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. It's a free gold IRA guide to help you understand exactly how this works. Now let's take a moment to compare. When you look at other options, like stocks or bonds, they are vulnerable to market fluctuations. Even though stocks have provided good returns, historically, they can be volatile, and inflation can undermine their gains. On the other hand, real estate is often seen as a safe bet, but property markets can also be unstable and require active management. Gold, however, has shown a consistent ability to preserve wealth, especially during economic uncertainty. So how does a gold IRA work? Essentially, it's a retirement account that allows you to invest in gold rather than traditional assets. This could be gold bullion, coins, or even gold-backed ETFs. The beauty of this is that the value of gold often rises when the dollar weakens, which typically happens during inflationary periods. So, by diversifying into gold, you're positioning yourself to weather the storm of inflation and market volatility. If you're wondering whether it's worth the effort to switch to a gold IRA, let's consider the risks of staying with traditional assets. If you're holding a significant portion of your wealth in stocks or bonds, you're vulnerable to a potential downturn in the economy. Gold, however, tends to be more stable and predictable, giving you peace of mind that your retirement savings will be secure, no matter what the economy throws at you. If you're looking for a quick win and want to get started right away, the first step is to check out that free gold IRA guide in the description. This guide will show you exactly how to open a gold IRA, why it's such a smart move, and how thousands of Americans are already making the switch to protect their wealth. Now, if you're someone with $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, or maybe even $5 million in savings, a gold IRA could be the perfect way to diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk. By allocating a portion of your wealth into gold, you can protect your assets from inflation and set yourself up for a more secure retirement. As we wrap up, remember, gold IRAs offer an incredible way to shield your savings from the unpredictable effects of inflation. And if you want to make sure you're on the right track, don't forget to check out that free guide in the description. It's perfect for American retirees who are serious about protecting their wealth.